Hi guys, so we have succeeded to arrive the to the 7th tier of the waterfall. So this is the summit of the waterfall. As you can see, there's no more waterfall from this place. It's really the top. Ade, mana waterfall? Where's the waterfall? It's down there, right? Yeah, so as we are at the top, the waterfall is of course down ahead. Hello guys, welcome to another Adventurous video. Today, this morning we are at the Kanching Eco Forest Park. As you can see, Nick is good. Now Nick is with us, but later he will be like 1 kilometer away from us because he hikes quite fast. So it's gonna be in front. It's gonna be like 1 kilometer away from us now afterwards. And there's a lot of monkeys here. We have arrived at the first tier of the waterfall, so this is how it looks like at the first tier. Yeah. And this is the trail to go to the second one. There are stairs to go out to the second tier, but it's very steep. Same as in Tabor, we have hi. Same as in at Bukit Tabor, we have a dog following us. The dog Pogo is we name. Okay, so his name is the dog's name is either Pogo or Jabat, but here it is following us again.
Pokemon Go, Pogo.
From the start of the trail. So this is a husky, I think. So guys, now after a rough climb up a lot of stairs, we arrive at the second tier of this waterfall. So there's a bridge here. We're gonna push on forward. Okay, shortly after tier 2 waterfall, we arrive at the third tier, which looks like this one. So guys, shortly after also is the fourth tier of the waterfall. The fifth tier of the waterfall is so scenic. It's a very nice place for photography. There's a lot of climb from the 5th stop to the 6th stop, as you can see now. So guys, we have arrived at the 6th tier of the waterfall, the second last stop until the top. So this is how it looks at the 6th point. Small, nice, cozy pool. And then there's the drop of the waterfall. We can't see what's below from here. Okay, so but it's sheer drop. Okay, let's go to the summit. Hi guys, so we have succeeded to arrive the to the 7th tier of the waterfall. So this is the summit of the waterfall. As you can see, there's no more waterfall from this place. It's really the top. Ade, mana waterfall? Where's the waterfall? It's down there, right? Yeah, so as we are at the top, the waterfall is of course down ahead. And here we can see like a small stream. So this is the small stream. And the stream comes down this rock and become the waterfall that we know, the Kanching Waterfall. So that's about it. So now we're going to get some chow, some food, and then drinks, play with the water a bit, and then go down. Guys, we came down back to the 6th tier of the waterfall because this is a much larger pool than the one at the peak, and we're having a picnic now. Had some fajitas and drinks. It's great up here. It's 1:30 in the afternoon and we're climbing down the trail of Kanching Waterfall.